Hi kids, today we are going to learn about regular verbs. Regular verbs are easy. We'll look at 100 examples of these verbs and their forms. Let's get started. Regular verbs. Regular verbs follow the rule of adding ed for the past and past participle forms. Accept,
Accepted, accepted,
achieve,
achieved, achieved,
add,
added, added,
admire,
admired, admired,
argue,
argued, argued,
admit,
admitted, admitted,
agree,
agreed, agreed,
allow,
allowed, allowed,
answer,
answered, answered,
appear,
appeared, appeared,
arrive,
arrived, arrived,
ask,
asked, asked,
avoid,
avoided, avoided,
bake,
baked, baked,
beg,
bagged, bagged,
book,
booked, booked,
brush,
brushed, brushed,
believe,
believed, believed,
borrow,
borrowed, borrowed,
breathe,
breathe, breathe,
call,
called, called,
carry,
carried, carried,
chase,
chased, chased,
clap,
clapped, clapped,
crash,
crashed, crashed,
change,
changed, changed,
clean,
cleaned, cleaned,
close,
closed, closed,
compare,
compared, compared,
cook,
cooked, cooked,
copy,
copied, copied,
create,
created, created,
dance,
danced, danced,
deliver,
delivered, delivered,
destroy,
destroyed, destroyed,
develop,
developed, developed,
divide,
divided, divided,
dress,
dressed, dressed,
dry,
dried, dried,
enjoy,
enjoyed, enjoyed,
enter,
entered, entered,
explain,
explained, explained,
finish,
finished, finished,
follow,
followed, followed,
help,
helped, helped,
hope,
hoped, hoped,
imagine,
imagined, imagined,
improve,
improved, improved,
include,
included, included,
increase,
increased, increased,
jump,
jumped, jumped,
kick, kicked, kicked, kill,
killed, killed,
knock,
knocked, knocked,
learn,
learned, learned,
like,
liked, liked,
listen,
listened, listened,
look,
looked, looked,
love,
loved, loved,
match,
matched, matched,
move,
moved, moved,
need,
needed, needed,
open,
opened, opened,
paint,
painted, painted,
pass,
passed, passed,
play,
played, played,
pray,
prayed, prayed,
pull,
pulled, pulled,
reach,
reached, reached,
remember,
remembered, remembered,
repair,
repaired, repaired,
repeat,
repeated, repeated,
rest,
rested, rested,
return,
returned, returned,
save,
saved, saved,
share,
shared, shared,
show,
showed, showed,
start,
started, started,
stay,
stayed, stayed,
stop,
stopped, stopped,
study,
studied, studied,
talk,
talked, talked,
test,
tested, tested,
thank,
thanked, thanked,
touch,
touched, touched,
travel,
traveled, traveled,
try,
tried, tried,
turn,
turned, turned,
use,
used, used,
visit,
visited, visited,
wait,
waited, waited,
walk,
walked, walked,
want,
wanted, wanted,
watch,
watched, watched,
work,
worked, worked,
worry,
worried, worried,
wash,
washed, washed,
wish,
wished, wished,
wonder,
wondered, wondered,